AI isn't coming, it's already here. And in 2026, some jobs will disappear faster than anyone expects. So today, I'm showing you 5 jobs AI will replace and what you should learn instead so you don't get left behind. Let's get into it. 1. Customer support, replaced by AI voice agents. Customer service is becoming fully automated. AI voice bots now answer calls, handle refunds, solve tech issues, and they sound exactly like humans. Companies are switching because AI is cheaper, faster, available 24/7, makes 0 mistakes. Safe alternative, learn AI automation, chatbot building, or customer experience optimization. 2. Content writers, replaced by AI writing engines. What used to take writers days, AI now does in seconds. Blogs, product descriptions, ads, social media posts. 90% of companies already use AI for writing. But here's the good news. Writers who learn to use AI can produce 10 times more content and get paid more for strategy instead of typing. Safe alternative, learn prompt engineering, AI content editing, or SEO strategy. 3. Video editors, replaced by auto editing tools. AI tools now edit full YouTube videos automatically. They cut footage, add subtitles, crop for TikTok, color correct, and even generate B-roll. Editors who refuse to use AI will lose clients, but editors who embrace AI will earn more and work faster. Safe alternative, learn AI-assisted editing, motion graphics, or video directing. 4. Data entry, replaced by automation bots. This one is disappearing fast. AI now fills forms, transfers spreadsheets, organizes documents, and detects errors automatically. Companies don't need humans doing repetitive tasks anymore. Safe alternative, learn workflow automation, data analytics, or AI auditing. 5. Telemarketers, replaced by AI sales agents. AI can call thousands of leads per day, follow scripts perfectly, schedule appointments, and close deals without getting tired. AI sales agents are already outperforming humans in 2026 tests. Safe alternative, learn AI sales automation, marketing strategy, or lead generation. AI isn't taking all jobs, but it is taking the jobs of people who refuse to adapt. If you learn how to use AI, you won't be replaced. You'll be the one replacing everyone else. If you want the next video in this series, hit subscribe.